So once you observe page number 32, exercise 2.1. So exercise 2.1 is based on this definition. What is polynomial? What are the types of polynomials? Based on number of terms and based on degree. Next, coefficients. Coefficients of the variable means variable ki mundu numerical value ఏది ఉంటుందో that is the coefficient of the variable. Here in exercise 1.1 they gave 6 problems. Find the degree of the each of the following. In first Roman they gave find the degree of each of the following polynomials. First one they gave x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3. Second one x square plus x minus 5. Third one 5. Fourth one 3x power 6 plus 6y cube minus 7. Fifth one 4 minus y square. Sixth one 5g minus root. This is about polynomials. Now you have to find degree for these polynomials. How to find degree for all these? Here in this polynomial you have 3 terms. Highest power of the variable terms in each polynomial is called degree. Here variable terms are 1, 2, 3. Here there is no variable means here degree is 0. Here degree 0, here degree 4, here degree 5. Which is the highest degree among all these? 5 is the highest degree. So degree of the polynomial is 5. Next, here degree 2, degree 1, 0. So highest degree is 2. Here there is no variable means we have degree 0. Constant polynomial. Here highest 6, here 3, here there is no variable means degree 0. Highest among all these is 6. Highest power of the variable is 2. Here 2, here there is no variable means degree 0. Degree 0, degree 2. Highest degree is 2. Here variable is t. Here there is no variable. Here degree 0, here degree 1. Highest degree is 1. So in this way you can write degrees. Next, second one. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? Give reasons for your answer. So first one is the second Roman first one 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Is it a polynomial or not? What is the definition of the polynomial? Algebraic expression in which powers of the variables are non-negative integers. Here what are the variables? Here and here variable is only 1. So it is a polynomial in one variable x. Why? Because here variable power is 2, here variable power is 1, non-negative integers. So it is a polynomial. So when you observe third one, p square minus 3p plus q. Is it a polynomial or not? It is a polynomial because here variable power is 2, here variable power is 1, here variable power is 1. It is a polynomial. But in this Roman they are asking which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable. Here this polynomial having 2 variables. What are those 2? One is p, other one is q. So it is a polynomial, but it is not a polynomial. It is a polynomial, but it is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial in one variable. It is a polynomial, but it is not a polynomial in one variable because it is having 2 variables. So in this way you can solve this Roman, second Roman. Next, third one. So in that second Roman, just I am telling first one and third one. Second, 4, 5, 6 you have to do. Next, third Roman. Write the coefficient of x cube in each of the following. You have to write the coefficient of x cube in each of the following. So first one is you have to find coefficient of x cube. first one. Third Roman, first one. X cube plus x plus 1. Second one. 2 minus x cube plus x square. Third one. Root 2 x cube plus 5. Fourth one. 2x cube plus 5. Fifth one. 5 by 2 x cube plus x. Sixth one. Minus 2 by 3 x cube. Seventh one. 2x square plus 5. Eighth one. 4. So you have to find coefficients of x cube in each of the following. In all these you have to find coefficients of x cube. For first term, what is the x cube term? This one is x cube term. Here there is no constant, means what is the constant you have? 1. Here for this variable x cube, what is the coefficient? Minus 1 is the coefficient. Here for this x cube, what is the coefficient you have? Numerical value which is before the variable term. Here for this x cube, what is the coefficient? 2. Here 5 by 2. Here minus 2 by 3. Here there is no x cube term. X cube term లేదు ఇక్కడ. మరి న్యూమరికల్ వాల్యూ ఉంటుందా? 0. x cube term లేదంటే అర్థమైంది. x cube term ఎప్పుడు ఉండదు? x cube ముందు 0 ఉందనుకోండి. 0 into x cube you will get 0. That's why there is no x cube term is coefficient of x cube is 0. Here also there is no x cube term. So coefficient of x cube is 0. In this way you can write coefficients of x cube in each of the given expressions. Next, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. ఇది తెలిసిందే కదా, లీనియర్, క్వాడ్రాటిక్, క్యూబిక్ అని ఎప్పుడు అంటాం? Polynomial having degree 1, linear polynomial. Polynomial having degree 2, quadratic polynomial. Polynomial having degree 3, cubic polynomial. So here they give polynomial degree, type of polynomial. So which Roman that one is? Fourth Roman. In fourth Roman, first problem. 5x square plus x minus 7. 5x square plus x minus 7. Second Roman, x minus x cube. Third Roman, x square plus x plus 4. X square plus x plus 4. Fourth one, x minus 1. Fifth one, 3p. Sixth one, pi r square. Pi r square. So these problems they give. So first, if you know the degree, then you can say which type of polynomial is this. What they are asking here, classify following as whether it is linear polynomial or quadratic polynomial or cubic polynomial. For this polynomial, what is the degree? Highest power of the highest degree in each term is, here degree is 0, here degree is 1, here degree is 2. So highest degree is 2. If degree is 2, what we call that polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. Next one. Here degree is 3. Which polynomial? Cubic polynomial. Here what is the highest degree? 2. That means quadratic polynomial. Here degree over variable power is 1. Highest degree is 1. Degree is 1. So linear polynomial. P. 3p means degree is 1. Linear polynomial. Pi r square. Here pi is constant. R square is variable. So variable power is 2. Degree is 2. Quadratic polynomial. So in this way you can classify which type of polynomial is given polynomial based on their degree. Next to fifth one. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. So first one is a binomial can have at most 2 terms. బైనామియల్ కి ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్ ఉంటాయి? 2 టర్మ్స్ ఉంటాయి. దే గేవ్ ఎట్ మోస్ట్ 2 టర్మ్స్ మీన్స్ సో మాక్సిమం 2 టర్మ్స్ ఉంటాయని ఇచ్చారు. మాక్సిమం 2 టర్మ్స్ అంటే ఒక టర్మ్ ఉంటే ఏమంటాం? మోనోమియల్ అంటాం. ఓన్లీ 2 టర్మ్స్ ఉంటేనే బైనామియల్ అంటాం. సో హియర్ ఫస్ట్ వన్, బైనామియల్ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఎట్ మోస్ట్ 2 టర్మ్స్. బైనామియల్ కి ఓన్లీ 2 టర్మ్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఈజ్ ఇట్ ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్? ట్రూ ఓన్లీ. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్, ఎవ్రీ పాలినామియల్ ఈజ్ ఏ బైనామియల్. ప్రతి పాలినామియల్ బైనామియల్ అని ఇచ్చారు. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఏ పాలినామియల్ ఆర్ నాట్? పాలినామియల్. But it is having how many terms? Only one term. So is it a binomial? We can call this one as monomial. So every polynomial is not a binomial. That is false. Next, third one. A binomial may have degree 3. A binomial may have degree 3. So binomial ki degree 3 ఉండొచ్చు కదా. Binomial అంటే 2 terms ఉండాలి. నేను ఇలా రాశాను. ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ 2 టర్మ్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ బైనామియల్. దీని డిగ్రీ ఎంత ఇప్పుడు? 3 కదా. సో రాయొచ్చు లేదా? ఏ బైనామియల్ కెన్ హ్యావ్ డిగ్రీ 3 అన్నారు. అంటే బైనామియల్ కి డిగ్రీ 3 ఉండొచ్చా లేదా? అలా రాయొచ్చు లేదా? రాయొచ్చు కదా. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ దిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆల్సో ట్రూ. డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ 0 పాలినామియల్ ఈస్ 0. Degree of 0 polynomial is 0. Here 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial means in a polynomial, if a polynomial having degree 0, that is called constant polynomial. Degree of 0 polynomial is nothing but 0. Degree of 0. For this 0, what is the degree? How you can say degree? Suppose 0 into, if I am writing variable power 0 into x. Here degree is, we can consider variable power is 1. That's why we can consider degree as 1. Suppose if I am considering 0 into x power 99, this value also 0, this value also 0. When I am expressing like this, degree is 1. When I am expressing like this, degree is 99. Suppose when I am expressing x power 700, this value also 0. Here degree is 7. We can't say, if the value is 0, we can't say for that which is the degree. That's why you call this one as 0 polynomial. Here degree of 0 polynomial you can't say. ఇక్కడ 1 అని చెప్పొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ 99 అని చెప్పొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ 700 అని చెప్పొచ్చు. ఎందుకు? వేరియబుల్ పవర్ ఏదంటే అది డిగ్రీ. కానీ ఇక్కడ వేరియబుల్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఎంత ఉంది? 0 ఉంది. 0 ఇంటూ ఎనీ వాల్యూ విల్ గెట్ 0. ఇక్కడ 0 ఇంటూ x పవర్ 1 అని రాశారు. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటే డిగ్రీ ఏమైంది? 1. దీన్ని కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటే 99. దీన్ని కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటే 7. సో డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ 0 polynomial cannot be determined. We can't say. So degree of 0 polynomial does not exist or cannot be determined. Next, degree of x square plus 2xy plus y square is 2. X square plus 2xy plus y square. For this degree is 2. Is it true or false? For this term degree 2, for this term degree 2, for this term degree 2. Highest degree is 2. So that statement also true. Pi r square is monomial. That is also true because it is having only one term. Next, sixth round. Give one example each of a monomial and trinomial of degree 10. So degree 10 ఉండేలాగా ఒక మోనోమియల్ ఒక ట్రైనామియల్ రాయాలి. డిగ్రీ 10 ఉండాలి. So if I am taking x power 10, is it a monomial or not? It is having one term. Is it a monomial? For this degree is 10. Next, trinomial also we have to write. I am writing like this: x power 10 plus x power 9 plus x power 8. It is having how many terms? 3 terms. It is a trinomial. For this, what is the degree? 10. It is a monomial. For this, what is the degree? 10. They are asking like that. Give 2 examples. Having degree 10. Other one is trinomial having degree 10. So these are the 2 examples. ఇవే రాయాలనే లేదు. డిగ్రీ 10 ఉండేలాగా మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రాయొచ్చు. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ am writing like this: 2/3 y power 10. That is also monomial having degree 10. X power 9 plus y power 10 plus z power 5. This is also cubic polynomial having degree 10. ఇది కూడా రాయొచ్చు ఎగ్జాంపుల్. అలా మీ ఇష్టం ఏదైనా రాయొచ్చు. This is about sixth problem. So up to this we are completed exercise 2.1. So remaining problems and remaining definitions I'll tell you in the next session. So up to this, first you have to learn what is polynomial, how many types of polynomials are there based on their degree, how many types of polynomials are there based on their number of terms. For this page number 32 before, you have different examples based on that types of polynomials and types of polynomials based on their degree and based on their number of terms. Once you see all those, so I'll tell you exercise 2.2 and the definitions which are involved in that exercise 2.2 in the next session. Thank you.